must, I must try today. Have to, I have to find my way. Must is strong inside my heart. Have to comes from rules we start. Listen, sing, and learn with me. English feels so easy. I wake up early in the morning. I have to go to school. My teacher says, come on, children, you have to follow the rule. I must listen, I must learn, I must try again. I must speak a little English with my lovely friend. I must try, I must smile, I must walk another mile. I have to study, I have to read, because learning is what I need. Must is my strong decision. Have to is a rule for me. Must and have to sing together. Now we understand easily. Mia has to do her homework because the teacher said. Kai has to brush his teeth before he goes to bed. She must be kind to her brother. He must help his dad. We must say, thank you, teacher. And we must not be bad. Do you have to clean your room?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Does he have to leave so soon?
Yes, he does.
Yes, it's true. Do we have to speak today?
Yes, we do.
Let's find a way. Do they have to listen too?
Yes, they do.
And so do you. I must try, I must smile, I must walk another mile. I have to study, I have to read, because learning is what I need. Must is my strong decision. Have to is a rule for me. Must and have to sing together. Now we understand easily. I don't have to run today. I can walk and play. You don't have to cry tonight. Everything is okay. We don't have to finish now. We can finish after tea. They don't have to come with us. They can stay and watch TV. But listen now, this part is strong. Mustn't means
Don't do it.
you mustn't touch a dangerous thing. You mustn't run through it. You mustn't shout in class. You mustn't fight at school. You mustn't break the window. That is not cool. You mustn't drive too fast. You mustn't tell a lie. We mustn't give up learning. We must always try. Must I study every day? Maybe yes, if I want to grow. Do I have to go right now? Yes, the bus is ready to go. Must we help our little friend? Yes, we must. It feels right. Do we have to sleep early? Yes, because it's night. Does she have to cook today? No, she doesn't.
No, no, no.
Must she be kind every day? Yes, she must.
And love will grow.
One day Mia lost a book. She had to look around. Kai said, I must help you now. And the book was found. They had to meet the teacher because the lesson started soon. They had to sing together a happy English tune. Mia said, I must remember, I must practice every day. Kai said, we have to hurry. The class begins this way. I must try, I must smile, I must walk another mile. I have to study, I have to read, because learning is what I need. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to try. I must believe in myself and touch the sky. Must is strong inside my heart. Have to comes from rules we see. Must and have to, now I know. English is my key.
Do you have to learn today?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Must you try again today? Yes, I must.
And so must you.
Don't have to means not necessary. Must and means
No, don't do.
must and have to sing with the meaning is clear and true.